Hello, in that small video I will show how we'll tune the Mercedes GLE350 Bluetec with our tuneOBD device. And I took with me the fancy RaceLogic, which will show us how fast GLE350 Bluetec can be. So currently we have here factory firmware, and I'm gonna test now how fast we can go with factory. So I just press this button to start, and then we prepare to the race. So I put the sport and I turn the ESP off, and then we're ready to race. So I started. Okay, let's start and see. So RaceLogic ready, everything ready, and we do it now. Okay, and let's see how fast is that now, and it's 7:39. And different races we can go with in beta 7:35, but it's more or less the same. Okay, I stop motor now, turn ignition on. Okay, then I plug this to the OBD diagnostic, and then we will observe for the command screen messages. I plug it. Okay, let's observe what we do have here. There are several presets here possible. So this factory firmware we just tested, and this is stage 1. I'm selecting with that button and confirm with start button. I'm confirming now. It will take about 2 minutes. Okay, started to flash. Well, the benefit is that every time in 2 minutes you can revert to the factory settings, and in case you have any warranty cases, you can be sure that you can revert it to the factory in 2 minutes, and then nobody will see any changes at the motor control unit. So all the numbers will be exactly like it from the factory. So near the end, now observe the screen, because it will ask to switch ignition to off. Okay, now I'm switching it off. Switch it off. Then observe, and it will ask to switch it on back again. Okay, I'm switching back again on. Successfully finished. And now I remove the model and keep it for the next time. So, and now it's a good time to make the second race, but unfortunately the RaceLogic searching for the satellite not fast, so I will stop now, and in a few minutes when it will find the satellites we will do the race. So RaceLogic is ready, we started and we're ready to do the race again. Let's try how it goes now. Voila. Let's see. $6.76. So it's a very good result, because the difference is something like 0.7 seconds. So this is how it goes, and thanks for watching and good luck.